The 2021 Major League Baseball season began on April 1 and ended on October 3. The 91st All-Star Game held on July 13 was supposed to be held at Truist Park, home of the Atlanta Braves, but league officials moved the game to Coors Field, home of the Colorado Rockies, following the passage of the Georgia Senate Bill 202 by the Georgia General Assembly, which MLB considered to be restrictive of voting rights. The World Series is scheduled to begin on October 26, and a potential Game 7 is scheduled for November 3. The entire schedule was released on July 9, 2020. For the second consecutive year, cross-border travel restrictions due to the COVID-19 pandemic forced the Toronto Blue Jays to open their home schedule in the United States, with tenures in Dunedin, Florida and Buffalo, New York. Later, the Canadian government granted an exemption to allow the Blue Jays to return to Rogers Centre in Toronto, Ontario beginning July 30. This year is the final season of the Cleveland Indians competing with that nickname. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.